Yo, what's up, guys? Okay, so I'm about to show you a pretty wicked trade that I just took. Okay, this coin ended up going up 18% in a very short period of time. Okay, check this out here. It went up 18% in literally 28 minutes here. And I was trading on the 5 second, the 15 second, and the 1 second, basically the second charts, right? Using a combination of the second charts, RSI, and MACD with price trading, right? Not really RSI too much, mainly the three there. And this is something that takes a really lot of skill to do because you're trying to catch a short on a parabolic curve that goes to the upside. And you know, my goal is to eventually help people become a self-sufficient trader, right? I don't want people to navigate through the crypto market blind because there's just so much information out there. And I'm not one of those people that's like, yeah, here's my get rich quick scheme. You know, I actually trade, I show proof by example, I lead by example, I trade with my group every single day, I try to educate. I'm on like 12 hours a day. I'm always answering questions that people have when I'm on, right? I'm not one of those slackers. It actually costs me more money to have a Discord group than for me to trade solo. So my ultimate goal is just to help people learn and just try to provide some advice every day, and eventually you'll become a self-sufficient trader. So check out this video, guys. If you're interested in joining my Discord group, just check out the information below. I'm taking on monthly members and yearly members. If you do sign up by yearly, though, you actually get the course for free, which is usually $450. The course itself has like 4,000 reviews, and it has 4.7 stars, which is, I guess that says something about that by itself, right? So anyways, hit me up, guys. Watch out for scammers. Lots of scammers out there that will reply to you in this YouTube video. So make sure you hit me up on DM on Twitter. This way you can be sure that you're talking to me. My official links are below. So enjoy this video, guys. Check it out. Bye now. Okay, it's almost time to be shorting. Hot right now. This is how I'm counting the Elliot Wave. Okay, I'm counting the Elliot Wave pretty much like that's pretty much it, I think. Shit, I don't think I caught it. Fuck, it's too slow. That's what happens when you're too slow, honestly. I think that this was it right here, and I was just too slow to catch this tiny little breakout right here. Once it goes out a little bit more, then I'm gonna try. There we go. Come on, just give me another high. I don't know if that's it right there. It's incredibly complicated, this Elliott wave structure. But that should be something like that up there. Like this should be the very final waves going to the upside right now. I would really heed caution on everything, because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the fifth going up there right now, and it's making incredible highs right now. So I'm really gonna make sure you guys like stay careful right now, and I'm gonna just try to live trade this the best I can. I don't think that I can live trade it, to be honest. It's too parabolic. Like look how ridiculous this coin is right now, guys. It's going really high to the upside. I don't want to try even shorting this. It's very scary. Like, you know, like when a coin is this crazy, you don't really want to take chances because the indicators are not real time enough for you to even judge. So I'm thinking this is the 1, 2, somewhere 3, 4. That's probably a 5 in there, I think. Maybe, if I'm lucky. Maybe it's gonna make another wave to the upside. Right, if it goes to another higher high, I'm really lucky. But this could be it right here, you know. And this also, like, I've never traded it before. That's why it's on 20x right now. I don't want to be trading this coin right now, to be quite honest. I cannot count this, therefore I do not want to trade it. 1 minute is so bullish. 30 seconds still. Look at that. See, if I tried to short it right now, it would have been just fucked right there. Why try to short this coin when you just can't even count it, you know? See that? You guys see that? There you go. That's called just being safe, man. Right? But now it looks like it's just ready. I think that's the very final wave. I think that's ready to be shorted now. So let's just give this a little bit of a shot here. Let's go to USDT right now. I think it's time for this guy to be shorted a little bit here. It's reaching hesitation. Let's just go with 50K. Right? 50K just for this one right here. Let's just see how this goes. Really quickly, short time frame. It's not really much that I'm playing. It looks like it wants to run up just tiny bit more. I'm gonna take my loss really fast if this is true. Looks like it could be making an ending fifth wave. Like, it's so volatile that you don't want to take chances with big positions right here. So let's just see. So the 5 second is on its way down. Okay. The 15 seconds crossing here as well. See that? The 15 second crosses over. So will there be a little bit of a downtrend in 0, 2, 1? Boom, it crosses over. Let's see if there's a downtrend. There we go. Let's see if there's momentum to come to the downside. There we go. Momentum comes down, comes down a little bit. Boom. Comes down. I'm playing just a little bit. Up $600. I'm going to capitalize on this. 1% profit. 1% profit is $650 on a very, very volatile coin. And I did this all live for you guys. I think that was a pretty fucking impressive trade, honestly. Like, you know, I'm not going to play like fucking $200,000 on a... I've got a really small account here as well, right? I'm not going to play $200,000 on a coin that literally just went up. Fucking... It literally just spiked up 18%. Actually, like, you can start from here, you know? Like from the real breakout. It went up 18% in 1 hour. There's no way. Look at that. Now it's going up even more. So it makes me wonder, what the fuck is the Elliot Wave count? What the fuck did I just count? Okay, do you know what I mean? So that's got to be making an ending fifth wave of some sort. Okay, it's got to be making an ending fifth wave for sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is probably a 1, 2, 3, 4. That's got to be the fifth wave in there somewhere. Okay, so it's really fighting to the upside now. But I already got my profits. So I'm like, do I want to trade this? Not really. See this spike as well? This is the 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is going to be making a 5. So now it's going to go even higher now. See that? Do you see? It's making a 5 wave now. So then you can now easily say that this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to catch the fifth wave, guys. Now I'm going to fucking catch it. Watch. Just got to double check with your fib-based extension right here. Okay, fib-based extension gives me a 1 to 1 to 1618 hit. So let's see what I can actually get on this guy here. Going to like a 1 second chart. I'm going up, right? Let's see what this can get me on the 1 second chart here. So I'm not really sure of what this is, because it's so choppy. It's almost impossible to count this right here. Like literally impossible to count this right now. Right? Very, 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 very difficult count. Impossible. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm probably going to make an ending fifth wave of some sort. But if I missed it already, that's okay too. Okay? So this is like somehow making something like that. Right? And then this makes something like that in there. Like, you know, like an ending fifth wave basically, right? So then I'm going to be very happy with this as well, if this holds true. So this might have been it right here. The 30 second is pumping over. I'm going to try to just short this again for 50,000. There, 50,000 in right here. Okay, let's see if this actually holds true. Because this looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and a really big hesitation for the 5. Do you see that? Big hesitation for the 5 right there. Huge. Okay, so the 5 second chart crosses over. Oh, beautiful. So now if you take a look here, I gotta remove this shit, man. Remove this. The 15 second chart is just about to pop to the downside. Okay, there we go. We got one pop there. Let's see if this actually ends up coming to the downside more. There we go. There's the momentum coming down. So now if this holds true, what we're gonna do is you're gonna take your fib of the entire structure. Okay, oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. I'm up $1,000 so fast. I just live traded 2 back-to-back trades where I basically took a short on wave 3 and shorted on wave 5. So let's just see how far this is gonna get me now and see if this is gonna come down or if this is gonna make a bigger fifth wave. Because fifth waves don't always be fifth waves like that. It could always be something like that, okay? It can always be fifth waves where it makes like a diagonal and then you get confused. So you need to really be watching this consistently. The 15 second chart still comes down really hard, right? This comes down really hard. The 30 second charts crosses over as well here. So you're getting consistent lower lows right now. I'm not only up $500 now, right? So it's like, you know, not the best in my opinion. It could do a lot better. So I might be at break even. I'm going to take my loss at break even here. I could have taken 1,000, but I thought it was dropping lower, right? So it's like, what am I doing here? I got to really be careful here because it can spike to the upside and create an extended fifth wave. But that's the last thing I want. right? That's the last thing I want. So now we're watching the 30-second chart still tick over. It got a really big tick on the MACD there. Now the 1 minute chart, we got to see what it does in the 1 minute chart. That's the one that's complicated, okay? That's very, very complicated, and we want it to drop. We want it to drop really hard, and we can also say that this could be just 1, 2. That could just be 3 as well, okay? You never know. So now let's just see how much further this is going to come down. I'm just observing it very carefully. I wouldn't want to make any mistakes here and let it just spike up and be like, fuck, you know, it spiked up. I'm done now. So now we got a lot of momentum going to the downside. Price action is very, very heavy. It's insane, the volume right now. But I see every time it tries to go up, it's getting a little bit pushed down on the 30-second chart. We got a hammer there, which indicates that the bulls are getting rejected every time they go up. I'm now up about, how much am I up there? $500 only on this coin. I was up 1,000 earlier, which was a lot better, of course, right? But if you notice, I actually shorted it right from the top. Like literally from the top there. There was really, really good precision with the 5 minute. Or for the 5 second and the 1 second candle there, right? Or charts there, right? So this is a little bit confusing to look at all of this here. So it's not going to tell too much. So now the 1 minute chart, so it's spiking up here, right? Spiking up. I think I'm going to take my profit here. Nope, still coming to the downside. Lots of pressure to come to the downside here. Okay, so now part 2 of the video. Still trying to come down. The 1 minute is giving me an advantage right now, okay? The RSI is really wanting to boost down right now. It's not in the favor of the bulls at all. Do you see why? Because it's getting lower highs, lower lows consistently. MACD is consistently going down as well. But in my opinion, this still looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 only, okay? And because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, I might actually have to change my opinion here. To this is actually 3, and this is the 4 coming down here, okay? And it's actually very bullish. So I'm going to take my, just like this right here, okay? I'm going to take my profit about 11.34 here. So if I take it at 0.1134, that's $1,000. Okay, so let's just try to do that right there. Notice how I'm very much so at the top. Okay, so I'm literally at the top right now. This has a chance to spike up literally any time. Okay, so I gotta check to see, make sure it's all consistently coming down still. Okay, so it's consistently coming down still. The MACD is coming down. See that RSI is coming down parabolically. Okay, also 30-second is also coming to the downside right here as well. So now I'm in a really good position right now. I'm up $1,000 right now, 11,000 already. It's dropping even more. I'm up $1,400 now, and I'm gonna take my profit right here at $1,400. And boom, I just live traded with you guys for 2 trades back to back in the most volatile coin you can fucking imagine for a $2,000 profit, catching the wave 3 short and the wave 5 short. Boom. I traded on the 1 second chart for you guys and the 5 second chart for you. You gotta admit, that was probably one of my most impressive trades I've ever done. See you guys later. Bye now.